We're going to explore a special military helicopter called the Pave Hawk. The Pave Hawk is a modified version of the Black Hawk helicopter. This helicopter is used by the United States Air Force. It has been in service since the early 1980s. The Pave Hawk is designed for combat, search, and rescue missions. It helps rescue people from dangerous areas, including combat zones. The helicopter usually has a crew of 4 people. These include a pilot, a co-pilot, and 2 special mission aviators. Sometimes pararescuemen, also known as PJs, are also on board. Pave Hawks also support NASA launches at Kennedy Space Center. They are ready to rescue astronauts if something goes wrong. Pave Hawks have flown missions around the world. They've been used in the United States, Central America, Africa, Europe, the Middle East, and Asia. The helicopter is about 20 meters long and 5 meters high. Key parts include the rotors on top, the body, called the fuselage, the cockpit, the cabin, and the tail. The Pave Hawk runs on jet fuel. It has a main fuel tank and an extra auxiliary tank to fly longer distances. Fueling can be done on the ground or in the air. For aerial refueling, the Pave Hawk uses a probe to connect to a tanker aircraft. Fuel transfers quickly, usually in 10 to 20 minutes. There is also a tube to dump fuel if needed, but it is rarely used. On the front of the helicopter, you will find missile and radar warning sensors. The nose contains the radio compartment and weather radar. There is also a forward-looking infrared camera to help them see at night. The large antenna helps locate people on the ground. The pilot sits on the right and the co-pilot on the left in the cockpit. Windows above and below offer better visibility. Inside the cockpit are 3 flight controls: the collective, the cyclic, and the tail rotor pedals. Seats are designed to compress during a crash to reduce injuries. The Pave Hawk usually has a Ku-2 minigun on each side. Each gun can fire up to 4,000 rounds per minute. Inside the cabin, a special bar allows PJs to fast rope down quickly. There is also a hoist system to lift people up from the ground. The hoist can carry up to 272 kilograms and has a 61-meter cable. Flare buckets shoot out flares to confuse heat-seeking missiles. Chaff buckets release metal strips to confuse enemy radar. The aft transition bay stores extra electronic equipment. There are steps on the side for easy access to the top for maintenance. The Pave Hawk has 2 turboshaft engines made by General Electric. These engines turn shafts that spin the main and tail rotors. In the middle is a smaller engine called the APU, which powers systems and helps start the main engines. The 4 main rotor blades spin at a steady 258 rotations per minute. To go up or down, the pitch of the rotor blades is changed. The tail rotors stop the helicopter from spinning out of control. They are tilted slightly to help lift the tail as well. The pitch of the tail rotor blades can also be changed to turn the helicopter left or right. In the center is the swashplate assembly, which helps control the pitch of each rotor blade. This helps the helicopter move forward, backward, or sideways. Something called gyroscopic precession makes it tricky, but pilots don't have to think about it much. The 3 main flight controls work together: the collective for up and down, the cyclic for movement, and the pedals for turning.